Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the Mperformance 225D Coupe in Alpine White. The car itself is a 2016 16 plate, and this vehicle features some of the rarest and nicest and sought after options I've ever seen on a 2 Series, and of course featuring a BMW Mperformance Kit. Starting at the side, you can see there a set of genuine BMW 19-inch 405M alloy wheels that come wrapped in premium tyres. Behind the wheels, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car, that does mean we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package alongside some very sought after options, and I'm going to show you those as we go around. Angel Eye xenon headlamps. You will of course see there it's also got carbon fibre mirror caps, which again looks really great against this Alpine White. Genuine BMW Mperformance side vinyls and of course decals, some protection glazing as part of that M Sport Plus package. You can see there, if I come to take a few steps out, again all of the Mperformance editions work really well with the Alpine White. Over the top, it does have a very rare option in the form of the glass sunroof with both tilt and slide. It's got comfort access, so I can simply walk up to the car, place my hand on the handle and it'll unlock for me without having to click any buttons. Electric memory and movement red Dakota leather seats, which look really great and are in superb condition. The previous owner's really gone to town with the interior, having the full Mperformance interior trim package, which is a mixture of carbon fibre and Alcantara. You do of course have the Harman Kardon surround sound, Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, and again that's all in great condition. Folding armrest, and we have got the darkened M Sport headline in, making the rest of the headline after that superb glass sunroof. Moving around to the rear of the car, again showing you off these fantastic 19-inch alloy wheels. These cost upwards of £2,000 when they are new from BMW and are a great addition and look really nice on the 2 Series. Carbon fibre rear spoiler, and if you've not yet seen in the 2 Series boot, you'd be very pleasantly surprised. It's a great looking car, but it also of course still needs to be practical, and it certainly is with that size boot. You can of course also split fold the seats. Moving round to the other side of the car, where again you can see it's a very clean and tidy example and works ever so well with all of these Mperformance editions. And we're going to go through now, take a seat inside, because there is yet more special features awaiting us. Got some really rare options on this car and I'm really keen to show you those. Power folding mirrors, and we've got the extended storage as well. We've got the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, again combined with that lovely twin turbo 2-litre engine. Starting the car up, we're greeted by the professional wide navigation and media screen, and immediately you can see how much natural light having that sunroof is letting in. I want to show off some more of this amazing Mperformance interior. We've got a heated M Sport steering wheel, as you can see down there. I've got that turned on. It's a little bit chilly today, so something certainly well worth having. Moving you through onto some of the functions, it's got sat nav, which is a really nice system to use on anything within the BMW range. We've got Bluetooth for telephone and audio, alongside DAB and a wide array of multimedia functions as well. It does come with full BMW service history, which we'll go through and show you now. The next service is due in 4,000 miles time, and the service history, as I mentioned, is all BMW. The car itself has covered just over 50,000 miles. Also has the high beam assist function, so of course that'll toggle the high to low beam for you, again making sure that you're keeping both hands on the wheel and having to fuss less with all of the controls. So there is a look around at this absolutely stunning 225D that features the BMW Mperformance Kit, including the alloy wheels and the very sought after full Mperformance interior trim. And there you can see I've just popped the sunroof in the tilt, so whether that's fully open or just tilted or even closed, it's a really great option to have. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you. Bye bye.